back here. Peace. Hello. Hello guys, hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I am with the peace. I feel peace here inside the car, maybe because of you.
Salam.
Salamat. So you are going G2, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
G2.
Okay, let's go practice here. Let's
Okay.
go from here. Are you ready? Peace. Go straight. Turn right here. Okay. It was a train, so we waited for train. Go straight. Come this side. Turn left. He's not waiting for you. Here. And turn right. Don't use in a short distance gas pedal.
Okay.
Okay, don't block the sidewalk.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there's a losing points here because it's visible, right?
Okay.
Yeah. He's fast, eh?
Yeah.
Yes, yeah, good job. Yeah. So sometimes you are thinking that I can turn. Yeah, go straight. Perfect. 50 here. So you didn't check rail crossing, you check but late. After train pass and beat us, you check train.
Okay.
So turn right. Yeah. You can check your blind spot. It's better for pedestrian side. Yeah. Okay. Let's do parallel park for this big truck. First of all, right signal. Yeah, this car is big, right? Yeah, 1 meter gap. Half of the car. Oh, big half. Go back a little bit.
Should be.
Yeah.
same
Yes,
side.
exactly. Then
Right.
one right. Go back. .45 degree, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Then, oh no, just leave it. Yeah, one left. Let's go back. Get the V. Go back. That's it. All the way to the left. All the way left. All the way. Yes. New brake. Slowly back up. Slowly back up. Perfect. Yeah. Yeah. Straighten the wheel. Park and brake. And handbrake. Okay. Perfect. Let's go. So if you are close, go back. If you are okay, full left.
Okay.
Full left.
You should go
Yeah.
back.
Oh, you can go back. This also. That's it. Yeah. So leaving is a little bit far is good. Yeah. Yeah. Go straight. Let's do one more parallel park for this car. You forgot right signal. So reverse first. Wait for the car. Okay, now you can start. One right. Yeah, T is up. One circle. Okay, go back. We get back. Okay, so 45 degree. Then
Down.
turn left. Okay. Go back. Come on, come on, come on. Get the short V. That's it. Yeah. Then full. Full is better. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Park handbrake. Let's go. Okay. So this is the exam route. Exactly. Gonna take you here. Turn right. Chatham is so easy, simple. That's why people like to come here.
Yeah.
Good. Turn left. Pull over. Three-point turn.
Over first, right?
No, no
The-
need. No need actually.
Okay.
So after pullover, you're gonna do three-point turn. That's why. Yeah.
Okay.
This road is busy anymore. Before it was so quiet. So right now it's busy. Okay. Get back here. Peace. Hello.
Hello, it's me.
Yeah. Look at here.
Okay.
Yeah. Go back. Okay, perfect. That's it. Let's go. Turn right. Okay. Pull over there. Downhill parking. Okay, that's good. Let's go. Yeah, that's also good. Don't cancel signal right away. Wait a little bit. Then after that, then cancel. Turn left. So if you don't see, you can creep up a little bit. Yallah, go. Don't wait so much. If it is clear, then don't
Go.
take your yeah. Turn left at the light. Check blind spot here is better. Why are you looking at me? Don't.
I checked blind spot at the back.
Why you are checking the blind spot right side? No need it.
Okay. Check where you traffic gate at.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can go right.
Yeah, you can go. Check both sides. Check blind spot. No.
Oh, wow. I just had the weirdest dream. You know you're driving, right?
Car is coming. Go. Let's go. If there is no car, you can go.
Go. Okay.
If there is a car, wait.
Okay.
Oh God. That's okay. Speed up. Oncoming traffic.
I'm nervous.
Where is my stick? I am a Nigerian teacher. I watch one Nigerian teacher. I'm gonna be like that. What are you doing? You don't see the car. I should get some accent, right?
No, you asked me this right.
For Nigerian accent.
No, it's good.
Just good. No problem. Check blind spot. Turn left here. Left here. Left. Plaza. Here.
Okay,
here,
at the
here.
plaza.
Yeah. Plaza.
Oh, okay.
Go there. So wait. See, same rules. Oncoming traffic always has a right of way. At the traffic light, only green light. Same thing. Wait for the oncoming traffic. Check blind spot. Let's go. Then turn right. Here. Turn, please. Turn, please. Turn here. Then park left. Okay. Perfect. Don't use pump. Park and handbrake. Okay. So, 3-point turn is good. Parallel parking a little bit slow, so we have to speed up as parallel parking.
Okay.
And downhill parking was good. All right.
Okay.
Then, giving right oncoming traffic, give the right of way for oncoming traffic.
Okay.
If you have a green arrow, you have a right of way. If you don't have a green arrow, wait for the oncoming traffic. Any
Okay.
question?
No.
Are you sure?
Downhill parking.
Yeah.
It's right.
Yes.
Why uphill left?
Uphill with curb is left.
Left. Okay.
Uphill with curb.
Curb left.
Yeah, they're gonna ask you uphill with curb or downhill.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Up. There is no uphill at all.
No, there is no uphill. There is no real uphill.
Okay.
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 Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe our channel, like our videos.
Yeah, like our videos.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye. So we're gonna do mock test.
Yeah. Not this.